results. Okay. Now, what is this spearman? Spearman is basically going to rank your data. Okay. Spearman method. Okay. Spearman's method is going to basically rank the data. Okay. So, what is this? What is this ranking? Very simple. You would have studied this. Sorry, you would have actually felt this maybe in school or college or wherever it is. Okay, so I mean, I'm from CBSE board, so we used to have all that. What do you say? um, that unit test. Okay, I don't know whether it is still in existence or not, but we used to have all this term assessment, what you call, or internal assessment is what you call right now. So what happens there is, in case if
The
we
screen is
give,
not audible.
huh?
Visible. Screen is not visible, sir.
I'm not shared anything. Adding. I'm just explaining. Okay.
Visible, sir.
So
You can go ahead.
yeah. So what I am saying is, 1 minute. Okay. So first I'm explaining, then we'll take up the problem. Okay. So there are some things which I'm yet to explain. So what I was trying to say here is very simple. That is, uh, whenever we are doing Spearman's rank correlation, we basically do the ranking. Okay. So what is this ranking all about? I'm just going to give you an example so you'll understand what ranking is, or what ranking means. Okay. Now, um, let me say, for example, we had this assessment at school, okay, or college, wherever it is. We had this assessment, and my teacher had a very, I mean, it's not very peculiar, but she used to distribute uh, the marks, okay, or she used to distribute the papers according to the marks, okay, in descending order. For example, I don't know, many of you would have even experienced this at school. Uh, she'll just call out some random name and say she or he got the highest. Okay, so if the marks is out of 25, so it starts from top to down. Okay, so it's like, okay, he or she got 25, then goes to 24, 20, 19, okay, 16, um, 5, 0. Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, so basically what's happening is, in this Spearman's rank correlation, we are basically going to assign rank. Okay, we are going to assign rank for the X and Y values. Okay, so we basically rank the X and Y values. So X values we rank it separately, Y values we rank it separately. Okay, after we do the ranking for X and Y separately, we find out the difference in ranks. Okay, we find out something called as DI. Okay, so DI is nothing but difference in ranks. Okay, so how do you find out DI? DI is basically subtraction. What is DI? DI is nothing but rank of X minus rank of Y. Okay, rank of X minus rank of X minus rank of Y. Okay, so this is how DI works. Okay, most of the cases, what you people miss out is where people are committing mistakes in this particular problem. The formula clearly states 1 minus 6, open the bracket, summation of di square. Di square. So you got to square that value. Most of the people come crying and say, I missed out uh, squaring the value, and my answer isn't correct. I was not getting the answer. Okay, so don't miss out in squaring the value. Okay, or some people, what they do, they would have done DI, they would have added summation of DI, they would have already taken the square. When they add in the formula for that value, they would have squared it again. So you would have squared it 2 times, which is again wrong. Okay, so make sure that So make sure that you people don't m- miss this particular error. Okay, so be very careful. If it is di, so square di once and then take the value and substitute it in the formula. Okay, don't commit a mistake here. Okay, I'm giving you a word of caution because most of the people they miss out here. Okay, they do error or mistake here. Okay, so this is one thing. um, Again, another thing is, one of the students had asked me um, why exactly the values are not negative. Okay, I have a rational explanation to that. Okay, let me say I'm a very poor student, okay, and I'm not great at what I do. Okay, so in case if there is an assessment, and the teacher is grading me, okay, even if I've not got a single thing correct, okay, even if I've not got a single thing correct, okay, what's the least value which I may get? I may get zero. Okay, so let me say you have given a blank copy, okay, to the teacher. You have not written anything on the assessment. So what's the least your teacher can give? Zero. She can't. You have never got marks negative. You, your teacher didn't say, "Hey PRA, you got -4, you got -7." No, the least what she would have given you is zero. Okay, so Spearman basically works that way. Okay, so Spearman basically tells that the most of the cases the values should range between 0 to +1. Okay, because ranks shouldn't be negative, or values can't be negative in Spearman. Okay, so that's there, but there are cases. I have seen questions in the question paper of University of Madras where um, you have got values uh, going negative. Okay, so don't panic. It's perfectly okay to get negative values, but make sure that that range is following Carl Pearson's correlation coefficient range. Got it? Okay. So what I'm saying here is it can go max -1 or max +1. It cannot go beyond that. So Carl Pearson and uh, Spearman's rank correlation both have to fall between -1 to +1. If it goes beyond that, rest assured 200% you have committed a mistake in what you have done. Okay, go back and check. Got it? So that's what I'm trying to say here. Okay. So now you have a logical understanding of why exactly the values have to be uh, 0 to 1. Okay. Why is it 0 to 1 and why it can't be from -1 to +1. Okay. So I have given you with example why it has to be from 0 to 1. But there are certain examiners who would like to test your confidence, or maybe they don't understand uh, why the value should be between 0 to 1. So they go ahead and give negative values. But usually, if the paper setter is really knowledgeable, he would definitely not give you negative values on Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Okay, he'll definitely put it between 0 to 1. Okay, but however, you can expect both. Okay, so this is one thing which I want to say. Okay, now what's the next question? The next question is, how do you find out? Okay, how do you find out whether um the Spearman's rank correlation is repeated or non-repeated? Okay, so that's the next question. I look at the paper. I want to know whether that particular uh, problem, is it falling under repeated or non-repeated? How would you find out? Okay, it's basically by looking at the x and y values. Okay, x and y values, you got to see x column, y column, you got to see. You will figure out whether the values are repeated or not repeated. I'll give you an example. I'm going to switch to Excel to make you understand this concept. Okay, so just look at my Excel screen. See here. Now let me take, for example, Spearman. Okay, so how do I do this? Okay, how do I do this? Simple. I have X values, I have Y values. Okay. Now give me some random values, guys. Give me some random values.
5.
25.
5, 35.
10.
Mm,
30.
52. 52.
7.
96.
enough. 1 minute. Some more.
7.
12,
28.
12,
33.
18.
9.
32,
25.
Enough.
25.
Enough. Thanks. So, uh, so now we have these values. Okay. 10. I'll take the last value. Okay. Now you see here, pay attention here. Okay. Now you see here,
Not
most of the
visible.
people.
Not able to screen, sir. Excel.
no, sir, visible, sir.
Visible, not visible.
Visible only, sir.
Visible, sir. Visible.
Visible only, sir.
Please, I request you to please check at your end. There might be some issue. Okay.
Thank you.
So what I'm saying here is this is very important. This is where the concept lies. Okay. How do you find out whether it is a Spearman's repeated rank correlation or non-repeated rank correlation? Now you see here, you have X column here, you have Y column here. Okay. Now the concept is very simple. You look at Okay. Now what you need to do is you look at X column alone. For you, when you see X, Y should be blinded. Don't see Y. When you're looking at X, please see X alone. Don't look at Y. Okay. Under X column, you see whether are there any values which is repeated. Now, if you look at this, 5, 35, 10, 13, 17, 72, 52. Are any values being repeated? The answer is no. The answer is no. Okay. Now, you know that under X column, there are no values repeated. Correct? You go to Y. Now, X should be blinded. Okay. Now, you look at Y and you examine the values of Y. Are there any values which is repeated? Okay. So 7, 10, 12, 28, 33, 18, and 19. Are there any values repeated? There are no values repeated. Understood? So this is a typical example of non-repeated ranks correlation. Spearman's correlation, non-repeated ranks. Okay. Now you see here, what people will confuse. Under X, I have a value called as 10. Under Y, I also have a value called as 10. So this is case of repeated ranks. Totally wrong. I see many books which says this is an example of repeated ranks, but it's totally incorrect. Okay. You have to see under X alone or you have to see under Y alone. Okay. You cannot see both. You cannot say 10 is repeated in X, 10 is repeated in Y. So it's a case of repeated rank correlation. No, wrong, incorrect. Okay. You have to see only one. In one column, are there any ranks repeated? In Y, are there any ranks repeated? If it is yes, repeated. Not, not repeating, it's not repeated. Understood? Understood. Now I unmute. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
sir.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
No
Yes,
doubt.
sir. No doubt, sir.
Very good.
Yeah, no
Okay.
doubt,
This
sir.
is
Got it.
this is very important. Don't compare X and Y. Okay, here 10 is repeated, there 10 is repeated, repeated ranks. No, no. Only X, only Y. Any values repeated? Yes, repeated ranks. Okay. Okay. First, let us take an example of non-repeated ranks. The same problem which you gave. Okay. We'll solve the same problem and see how it goes. Okay. Now let me flip over and show you. Okay. Now this is X, this is Y. Now what you need in your formula, there is very simple. If you don't know what has to come in the table, look at the formula. What's the formula? Rho equal to 1 minus 6 summation of di square divided by n cube minus n. What is n? Number of observation. How many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So here n equal to 7. Clear? Now what is di? What is di? Di is nothing but difference of ranks. So what is that? Rank of x minus rank of y. Simple. So you need something called as di. So the next column will be for di, you need rank of x and rank of y. Okay. So what you need to do? First you put Rx. Okay. Rank of x. Then you put rank of y, Ry. These two things are needed. Okay. Then you find out what is di, because I want that because that is there in the formula. So what is that? Rank of x minus rank of y. Simple. Okay. Now this forms your table. This forms your table. Okay. For those of you who don't know why this is there in the table, if you just look at this, you see here x, y, rank of x, rank of y, di and di square. Okay. So that is what I'm trying to do here. Okay. So rank of x, rank of y, di, rank of x minus rank of y. We will do di square later. Okay. Now, what is rank of x? Simple. Whichever. Okay. What is this? Simple. Whichever value is the highest, they have been given rank 1. Correct? See, somebody got 25 out of 25. He or she will be given rank 1. Correct? Simple. So what you do, you examine this particular column and see which is the highest value. Okay. So which is the highest value here? 72. 72. So this will be given rank 1.
1.
Okay. You see which is the next highest value? 52.
52.
So that will be given rank 2. Okay.
So rank of X means we have to check in
Sorry for the
only
interruption,
X.
sir.
Uh, rank of X means we have to check the rank in between X only, X column.
Correct.
Okay.
Rank of X, no. Y has not come. Why
Okay,
you will
sir.
see why.
Sir,
Clear,
sorry
sir.
for the interruption. Sorry for the interruption, sir. I can't see your screen. But can you please tell me values of variables of x and y so that I can put myself, sir?
Okay. The values of Y are 5, 35, 10, 13, 17, 72, 52. Okay. And Y values 7, 10, 12, 28, 33, 18, and 19. Have you noted?
So what's for only y, sir? Sorry.
7,
7,
10, 12,
10, 12,
28,
28,
33,
33.
18, and 19.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Okay. So what I do, I see the highest value 72 is 1, 52, the second highest, I'm going to give it as 3. Okay, which is the third highest? The third highest is 35. So I'm going to rank it according to the values from highest to lowest. Okay. So 35 is 3. Okay. What's the next one?
17,
4,
13,
5,
10,
6. Okay.
5.
7. Got it? Till here understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Now do the same
Yes,
thing
sir.
for
Clear.
now do the same thing for y. Okay, do the same thing for y. Which is the highest? Highest is 33. Put it as 1. What's the next highest? 28. So I'm going to
28,
give it highest. 3, 19.
19,
Okay. What's the
18,
okay?
12,
12,
Hmm,
10,
10,
7,
hmm.
10,
10, 7.
and then 7.
Cool.
10, sir. 7.
Cool. Got it? Till here clear? Rank of X, rank of Y.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All yes, sir. Sir.
Now it's basic subtraction. Basic subtraction. Rank of X minus rank of Y. Okay. Rank of X is here. Rank of Y is here. 7 minus 7?
0.
0. 0.
3 minus 6?
Minus 3.
3.
Very good.
Minus
Very
3.
good.
1.
1.
1,
3.
3 plus
3,
3.
3,
Minus 3.
minus 3.
Minus 3 and minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus
Here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you do di
Yes, yes,
square. Write this later because you won't get confused. Now you put di square. You know, ma,
0.
mute-ல இருங்க. எனக்கு குக்கர் சத்தம் எல்லாம் கேக்குது. இன்னும் கிளாஸே முடியல அதுக்குள்ள சாப்பாடா? Okay.
12, sir.
Right.
பசி எடுக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, what you need to do, you know the values of di. Okay. You just have to square this and put it here. Don't write this until you finish this because I see a lot of people getting confused. Okay. Once you get di, put di square. Okay. What is 0 square? 0.
0.
What is minus
0.
3 square? 9.
9.
What is 1 square?
1.
9.
9.
1. 9.
9.
9.
Finish.
9.
Finish.
9. 1.
Okay. You got
Yes,
this.
sir.
You got this. This I'll put it as bold.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what? See, very simple. You have already acquired it. Once you get this value, don't square this value. This is why you have already it.
Okay.
Don't square this value. So di square, just take the summation. So what do you do? Equal to sum. Take the summation. Okay. Take the summation of this.
38.
Close it. 38. Perfect. Okay. So this is what di square, you can write it. Di squared summation. Okay. What people will do, 38, they will square it in the formula. Don't do that. Understood? So now it's basic. Now it's basic simple calculation. Rho equal to 1 minus, open the bracket, summation of di square. So di square is this.
So 1 minus
Already
6.
I have added this. So summation
So
of
1
di
minus 6,
square
sir.
is 38. Is 38.
Sir, 1 minus 6.
1 minus 6.
Correct. Thank you. One.
Sorry, sir, can you repeat this? Can you repeat this? One
Why the 6
and
will came,
minus 6,
sir?
please.
Why the 6 has came, sir?
Sorry, I
It's
missed
there
it,
in the
sir, please.
formula.
Formula, man.
Don't write on it.
Formula is there, no here. See, here. Here.
All right, sir.
This is the formula.
Got it.
1
Thank you,
minus
sir.
6 summation di square.
Okay, sir.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Understood? So 1 minus summation of 1 minus 6 into summation of di square. Okay. So di square is 38. Okay. So summation of di square divided by n cube minus n. So this will be 6 into 38. Okay. 1 minus summation of di square divided by n cube minus n. Okay. N cube minus n. So what is n? N is 7. I have clearly mentioned it here. 7.
7.
So
Yes.
that will be 7
N.
cube, 7 raised to 7 POV raised to 3. Okay. Minus 7. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So what is the value? 1 minus
6.
6 into 38 divided by 7 raised to 3 minus 7. Six into 38 divided by 7 into 7 minus 7. Okay. 1 minus answer. What's the value you're getting?
1
Yeah.
0.32,
Perfect.
something like that.
Correct. 0.32.
Huh?
Ah,
0.32, yes.
calculate.
0.6 something.
6. 6.
6, 7.
7 cube is how much? 343. Minus
Yeah,
7 is
minus
how much?
7.
336. Okay.
Yeah.
So 336 will be your
minus 6.33 something coming. Sir.
336 is your denominator. Okay.
Mm.
6 into 38. What is 6 into 38? 6 into 38 is 228. That is your numerator.
228.
So 228 divided by 336 is how much? 19 by 28. That is 0.67.
Sir,
1
So
minus
minus 3
answer.
and
sir, why
0.32.
minus 1?
Fine, 4.
0.32.
No,
sir.
no. First
Minus
we have to
0.32.
divide and then subtract 1.
Correct.
So one silly question.
Ah,
Will they allow calculator during the
yes.
examination?
Yes.
They'll allow?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Which is the calculator which you have to buy? Casio FX 991 MS.
Sir, repeat it.
Noted. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, can I have the formula, sir? Denominator n into n square, sir?
Square enga vandide? N cube minus n.
Minus n.
n minus n.
Ama.
Cube minus n.
Sir, I have a doubt actually.
Okay, right.
Sir, actually, I mean 6 multiply 38 into 2 to 8 come, no, sir? 228 divided by 336 only, no, sir? After that, minus 1, no? Before we can do it.
எங்க இருக்கு minus 1?
I mean 1. After that we have to
இங்க
subtract
தானே
with
இருக்கு 1 minus தானே இருக்கு 1 minus this bracket.
Use board master.
Board mass. Very good. You people,
Okay.
now I can't go to school and teach you people that.
Yes.
Sir, you've ranked by the decreasing order, but in the book it is in increasing order, sir.
It's okay. Anywhere, if you rank it right, it's a rank. So obviously it will come equal answer only.
Okay, see here. Last, this one here. Okay, when we do the square, the values, the signs will get nullified. Valid. Your doubt is very much valid. Okay. See, I go in a logical way. Okay. So whichever is highest, I give rank 1. Okay. Whichever I do it in descending order. Understood?
Understood, sir. If you,
So either way, we
by the
get
time you're squaring, all
correct
the
answer, right?
values become positive.
Correct. Would you give highest value as 1 or would you give lowest value as 1?
My preference, I will give highest value for myself.
Finished. That's why I gave you that example. I said the teacher will always give rank 1 to first rank to the person who has scored the highest. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Understood. I'm coming back here. So you people have understood. You people have understood what is Carl Pearson's non-repeated ranks?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are done with correlation. We are done with Carl Pearson's
Yes.
non-repeated ranks. Now we will take repeated ranks. Okay. I will share the pic. Okay.
So one small doubt.
Hmm.
So we are finding that the answer as 0.747 like that. So
Calculation mistake.
Sir, a small
This
doubt.
is Spearman's non-repeated rank, which I've done before now, right?
Sir, non-repeated rank means it should not repeated in either X or either Y, right?
Correct.
One of the numbers should. Okay, thank you.
I just wait 2 minutes. Okay, now I open this image. Okay, this is again for your reference. You can, it's just for you to understand. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is the problem. Okay, now you see here. So now you know. So now you know what is non-repeated ranks. Okay, so what is non-repeated ranks? Non-repeated ranks means when the values are not being repeated in X or Y. Okay. So how do you figure out whether it is non-repeated or repeated? Just check out uh, the X column and Y column, and if you see if the ranks are repeated, then maybe you can get to know whether it is a repeated or non-repeated rank. Okay. Now you look at this image, the image which I'm showing you. Okay. Where is that? On this. Yeah, here. Now you look at this image. If you see the values of X and Y, okay, under X column, the values are 20, 22, 20, 25, 45, and 20. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
So which is the value which is getting repeated?
20.
Yes, sir.
20.
20.
Good.
20, sir.
Good. So 20
And
is
Y?
getting
25.
20 is
20, sir.
getting repeated. 1 minute. Listen very carefully. 20 is getting repeated in X. That's the first thing. Second thing, for your correction factor, there is a formula, m cube minus m divided by 12. Okay. What is m? M is nothing but number of times that value is being repeated. Now, you know that 20 is getting repeated in X. How many times 20 is getting repeated?
3.
3 times.
3 times.
3 times.
3
3
times.
times.
How people are saying 2 times? Come on, I can't give you a pair of glasses.
3 times, sir.
3
sir,
times,
three
right?
times.
3 times. There's one, and then third value. for sixth value, correct?
Yeah.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
So 20 is getting repeated 3 times. 3 times 20 is getting repeated. Okay, clear? No doubts. Okay, so this is a typical case of repeated rank. You cannot forget to add correction factor. This is one more very important thing where people miss out. It'll be a case of repeated rank. They know that they would have calculated correction factor, but while substituting it in the formula, they will miss to add correction factor. Let that sink in. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you look at y. Any values are repeated?
50.
2 times, sir. 55. 50 and 55.
50
and
2
55.
times repeated. 55, 50.
50 and 55 are being repeated. Both are getting repeated twice. 50 is getting repeated twice. 55 is getting repeated twice. Okay. Cool. So
Yes, sir.
now listen. Listen. Very important. And most of the people get confused here. Okay. Somebody just tell me the values.
55, 50.
X 20.
Sir,
No, sir,
X
it
தானே
is
கேக்குறீங்க?
73.
you are entering the y values, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll do it myself.
X value 20, 22, 20, 25,
45, 20.
45, 20,
20.
73, 65, 55, 50.
Cool.
Sorry, sir, just tell me one time y values because I can't able to see the screen, sir.
55, 50, 73, 65, 55 and 50.
I suggest you to cut and
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Y-axis, we have to take only 55, no, sir?
Huh?
We have to consider 55 only, no, sir?
I mean, what are you going to consider? It's just a value.
No, sir.
You
in
mean
rank
to say, are you going to consider 55 as repeated?
Yes.
Yes, sir. In rank
Yeah, of
basis,
course. Because if you
Yes,
look
sir.
at it, 55 is getting repeated twice, and 50 is also getting repeated twice.
Twice.
It is also repeated twice.
Why are you going to consider only 55? I mean, this is partiality.
no, sir. But rank wise, 55 is higher than 50. No,
Wait,
sir.
wait. Don't go to the ranks. That's why I came to the Excel sheet. Wait. Now listen, guys. This is very important. This I want you people to listen. Okay. So let's close all this. Don't say. Okay. Yeah. So guys, listen. Very important concept here. See, when the ranks are not repeated, it was very easy. It was very easy to put rank of X and rank of Y. Correct?
Yes.
But
Yes, sir.
sir.
But whenever they are asking you Spearman, the examiner will purposely make it repeated because they want to know whether are you able to put the ranks for repeated values correctly.
Oh.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Understood.
90%, listen, 90%, not even 90, 95 or 96% of the people miss out on rank allocation. they will commit a mistake. So what you need to do, very simple. Even if it is 1 minute late, do this process. Very simple. Listen up. What you need to do, whenever ranks are repeated, first you arrange the ranks in descending order. First you arrange the ranks in descending order. Simple. Okay. Now you just go to that. Now let me put it for x. Okay. Now which is the highest value in x?
45.
45.
45, sir.
45.
45.
1%. 1%. 45. Okay. Done. Which is the next highest?
25.
25, sir.
75. எங்கம்மா வந்தது? Ma, what are you thinking?
22.
75 எங்க இருக்காங்க? 25. That's
25.
the
22.
next highest value. Which is the next highest value?
22.
22.
22. Which is the next highest value?
20.
20.
20.
20.
10.
That's it.
Correct.
That's it, sir.
Correct. Listen.
Five
Listen.
values.
Listen carefully. 45. Is there any other 45?
No.
No, sir. No.
You.
No, sir.
There is no competition there, so he or she gets rank 1. Correct.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Which is the next highest value? 25.
25.
25.
Any competition for 25?
No, sir.
No,
So,
sir.
No, sir.
directly you put 2. Next you come to 22. Okay. Next you come to 22. Is there any competition?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No,
Three.
sir.
Next, what's the value?
20.
20.
20. Listen. 20, 20, 20. Correct?
Yes.
Now I want to give you a situation. Now I want to give you a situation.
Sir, please mute them all, sir.
Sir, mute
Mute the
பண்ணுங்க
mic.
எல்லாத்தையும் நீங்க கொஞ்சம் definition கொடுத்துட்டு அப்புறம் ஆன்
மியூட்
பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
போட்டுருங்க எல்லாத்தையும்.
So now what I'm saying here is 20, 20, 20 is repeated. Okay, now I want to ask you one simple situation. Now let me say my maths teacher says, I have 1,000 rupees gift voucher. Okay, I have 1,000 rupees gift voucher. And I want to give it to the person who has scored highest. Okay. Now what happens? People go write the examination and the highest mark is 95 out of 100. Okay. 95 is the highest mark out of 100. Okay. Now this 95 is captured by 3 people. Okay. 3 people in the class have got 95. Okay. Now I want to ask you one question. If the teacher out of that 3, okay, this girl is my favorite student, I will give this 1,000 rupees to her. I will leave the other 2 remaining. Is it acceptable?
I
No,
think they
sir.
all
Sir?
get the same rank, sir.
Not acceptable.
My question is very simple. Is it acceptable?
Not
No,
acceptable.
sir.
No.
Why?
No.
Not
Why?
acceptable.
Because they
Same
are all
marks
equal.
Because it will be
getting marks,
partial.
so
Same marks they have scored, sir.
We can equally split the amount among the 3
Sir.
people.
Correct. All 3 people have got 95. If you go and give only 1,000 rupees to one person, the other 2 people will feel very bad. I also scored 95 and
Yes.
I have not got anything. So that is kind of bias, partiality. Okay. So what happens? What we do? Okay, what the teacher says, the teacher is very logical. I have only 1,000. I cannot give 3,000 bucks from my pocket. Okay. So what I do is, whatever is the
Split the
gift amount,
1,000.
how many people, I divide it by 3. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Do the same thing here. Now you come here. 1, 2, 3 is over. Got it?
Yes.
Then what you need to do? 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Okay.
What you need to do? What you need to do? 4 plus 5 plus 6. How much are you getting?
It's 15, sir.
15. 15. You divide that by 3. How much are you getting?
5.
5.
5, sir.
5.
You have to put 5, 5, 5 for all the 3.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir.
Repeat it again, sir.
Understand, sir.
Please.
Understand.
Understand.
What? I totally agree with you people. Okay. For people who have not understood, I will tell it again. 45 does not have any competition. 1. 25 does not have any competition. 2. 22 does not have any competition. 3. Whereas when you come to 20, I have 1, 2, 3 people who have scored. So what you need to do is first you put 4, 5, 6. You put it like that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Say yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
No. Okay. Then what you need to do?
Sir.
So you are going to average 1000 divided by 3. So what you are going to do? 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 15. Divided by 3 is what? 5. So you are going to give 5, 5, 5 for all the 3 people.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Understand.
Understood. Sir,
Got
what about
your
the rank
point.
4, sir?
My question is not who understood. My question is who didn't understand.
Rank is fine, sir. Rank 5 you are updated. And what about that rank 4? You mean to say you leave the rank 4?
I averaged it.
Average.
See, this is
Suppose
rank 4, 5, 6, no?
Okay.
There is no rank 4.
So
4, 5, 6, I have averaged it to 15.
Sir, one
So there won't
clarity.
be any rank 4 and rank 6. Average.
Sir, if comes number 19, what's its rank, sir?
Huh?
If comes number 19, what's its rank, sir?
19. Here?
No, sir.
There is no 9.
No, if only 2 persons are got 20
Question
marks,
is, if a
20,
person
20.
comes with
If
7,
Wait. 1 minute. Don't discuss. 1 minute. Don't discuss among yourself. Wait. I'll give you all
It will be
pause on that.
19 means it will be
Wait,
the 7.
Baba. Wait. 1 minute. 1 minute. See here. Listen carefully. In case, if I will add one more value so you will understand. In case, if I put it as 19, okay. So what I'll do, I'll delete this. 45, 25, 22 is done. So 45, 25 and 22 is done. Which is the next lowest value? The next lowest value is 20, which is repeated 3 times. Okay. So what you will do? 20, 20, 20. Done. Don't do anything. Pause. 20 is done. Okay. Then which is the next lowest value? The next lowest value is 19. So you put 19 here. Okay. So 45 1, 25 2, 22 3, no competition. 1, 2, 3, done. Whereas 20 is got by 3 people. So what do you do? 4, 5, 6. So you average 4, 5, 6. That will be 15. divided by how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 times repeated. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. So what do you do? 5, 5, 5. Done. You ended with 6 here. So which is the next rank? It will be 7. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody who has confusion, tell me now. Huh?
Again, sir.
See, listen. For those of you who are searching for 4, 4, 5, 6 has been averaged. I've already reached 6. I can't put 6 here. After 6, which is the next value? 7.
Okay, sir.
Three got the point, but only 2% have got 20 marks. Means how will you get the?
Okay.
4 and 5.
4 plus 5 means 9. 9 divided by 2 means.
I'll remove 1. So it will be 4 plus 5 divided by. So that will be 9 divided by 2. That will be 4.5. So this will be 4.5. 4.5.
Okay.
Sir, what will be the next rank, sir?
Let's say one more person is scored 19.
Okay, 1 minute. 4, 5 is done.
Next in a row.
In case if it is 19 here, 4, 5 is erased. Which is the next rank? 6.
Time is not right.
Couldn't understand.
It's very clear, sir.
I'll give another example. Give me some values for x and y again.
So why have we removed one number now suddenly?
Huh?
Why have we removed one number now? Like it's only 5 in a row. It was 6 actually.
Explanation. Give me some values.
8.
No, ma'am. Sir, earlier 20 was 3 times. Now you have given 22 times. Why have we changed? I'm asking, sir.
For example, you can keep 23 times only.
All right, sir.
Sir, we can move on to the Y, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We can solve Y.
Okay, fine. We will quickly solve Y and then we will take one more example so it will be clear. Which is the highest?
73.
73.
Which is the next highest?
73,
65.
55,
55.
55, 55, 55,
55.
55,
And
55.
and 50.
50.
50. 50.
And
50.
50.
50.
50.
Sir, you didn't remove the 19, sir.
See, which is the highest?
73.
Which is the next highest?
2.
65,
Second rank.
65.
1 minute.
3. And 3. 4.
Sir, please mute everyone. Please
Average
mute
of 3
everyone.
and 4, 3.5.
எல்லாம் டிவி போட்டுன்னு வெளியில உட்கார்ந்து கேக்குறீங்க. You have to have that focus. Whenever we are explaining some concept, you got to grasp that concept. Keeping mobile, watching TV, I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Okay. Rather than you can just switch off the class and you can do that, at least you can focus there. Okay. Don't do both. So 73 is highest. The next highest is 65, second rank. Okay. There is no competition here. But when you come to the third rank, 55-55 is captured by two people. So what you need to do is, here it is third rank and fourth rank. Okay, so you're going to take the addition. 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. 7 divided by 2. So that will be 3.5. So what do you need to do? 3.5, 3.5. Done. Done. So 3 and 4 both are done. Now again, when you come here, 50 is repeated twice. So you ended with 4. The next one will be 5 and 6, correct? 5 and 6. So what do? You just have to do 5 plus 6. So that will be 11. So 11 divided by 2. So that will be 5.5. So what do you need to do? Put it as 5.5. Put it as 5.5. See, I'll give you a simple thing. You just arrange it in descending order. You can take any values. Okay. You can take any values for it. Okay. 8, 17, 24, 36, 36, 14, 18. Okay. Another 17. Values are completely random. Okay. 9, 9, 4, sorry, 5, 4, 4, 6, 7, 18. Okay. So how do you quickly do it? Just arrange everything in descending order. Okay. Arrange everything in descending order, which is the highest? 36. So 36, this is how you can do it. 36, 36 is done. Okay. Which is the next highest? 24. Okay. The next highest is 18. The next is 17, 17. Okay. And then you have 14, and then you have 8. Okay, so how many values? Count is 8. Okay, count is 8. Perfect. Then what you need to do? Just arrange. Once you have arranged it in descending order, just put the ranks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Okay, 36, 36. There is a tie. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. 3 divided by 2. So that will be 1.5, 1.5. Done. Next, 24, any competition? No. So it will be 3. 18, any competition? No. 4. 17, 17, there is a tie. 5 plus 6, 11 divided by 2. So that will be 5.5, 5.5. Then next, 14, any competition? No. So it will be 7. Then 8, any competition? No. 8. So this will be the rank of X. Understood? Understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Still needs
Yes, sir.
Akka.
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear,
Yes,
sir.
So it doesn't matter if it is in ascending or descending way, right?
It definitely matters. That's what I'm saying. Put it in descending order.
Okay, got it.
The next
Means
step.
highest to lowest.
1 minute, Baba. What this? Wait. I'll tell you. Once you're done with rank of X, do the same thing for rank of Y. So what do you do for rank of Y? Simple. So again, you go ahead and see the descending order. Arrange the values in descending order. So which is the highest? Highest is 18. The next highest is what? 9, 9. Okay. The next highest is what? 7. Next highest 6. Next highest 5. Next is 4, 4. Done. Then what do? You just put the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. So rank 18. Perfect. Nobody. Second and third, there is a tie. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 divided by 2. So 2.5, 2.5. Done. Fourth rank, any competition? No. 4. Fifth rank, any competition? No. 5. Next, any competition? No. 6. Next, 4, 4. So there is a competition. There is a tie. So 7 plus 8. 7 plus 7 is 14. 15 divided by 2. So that will be 7.5. 7.5. Finished. Done. Makkan. Understood. Understood.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Understood. Yes, sir. Got
Yes,
it.
sir. Clear, sir. Yes.
Clear, sir.
Paka, sir. Paka.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Understood,
Okay.
sir.
Makkan.
Sir, could you share the screen again? That Excel sheet. Just a second.
Super, sir.
See? They say maths is
கைய
very
வச்சு
boring.
கம்ப்ளீட்டா கோடு போடவே முடியலடா.
Easy, sir. Easy.
No, sir, it's very interesting. I'm starting from 9. I'm 9 o'clock from still waiting for
Sir,
you.
we like your session, sir. It's very nice.
Thanks for that. Okay. Okay. So that's how it is. Okay. So we do this, we calculate this. Most of the people don't know how you got 7.5, how you got 5.5, how you got 1.5. This is how you got it. Okay. So it's very simple. Now once you know how to allocate the ranks, it's very simple. The rest is just cakewalk. Okay. Um, so what do? You just come back to that Excel. Okay, here. Okay, so again, what do? You key in the ranks: rank of X, rank of Y. Okay, so what do you do? It's very simple. Okay, so rank of X and rank of Y. Okay, so what do you do here? Simple. Just take the values of this and key in that. Okay, so that will be 45 is 1. Okay, 25 is 2. 22 is 3. Okay. 20 is 4.5. 20 is 4.5. And then another 20 is 4.5. Okay. Done. Next, rank of Y. Key in the same thing. Okay. 73 is 1. 73 is 1. Okay. 65 is 2. 55 is 3.5 and 3.5. Okay. And then you have 50, which is 5.5. 5.5. And here it is 5.5. Got it? Simple. I just substituted the values there. Okay. Then what you need to do? You have to take the difference, rank of X minus rank of Y. So Rx minus Ry. Okay. So what do you do? 4.5 minus 3.5. 1. 3 minus 5.5 minus 2.5. 4.5 minus 1, 3.5. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 3.5 minus 2.5. 4.5 minus 5.5 is minus 1.5. Got it? So rank of X minus rank of Y. Now what do you do? Rank of X . 25 minus 2.5, so that is 6.25. 35 will be how much? 3.5 square. So that will be 12.25. This will be 0. This will be 6.25. This will be 15, 2.25. Cool. So now you got Rx minus Ry whole square. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Your Di square. Okay. Now this is your highlighted values, bold. So you got to take the summation of this. So it will be 1. So just take the summation of this. That will be equal to sum of Okay, just take all the values, close it, 28. Now you just have to do one more step, that is your correction factor. Very important, listen to this. Okay, what is this? What is this correction factor? Okay, there is a formula. What is the formula? M cube minus M. Okay, divided by, this is in brackets, minus M divided by 12. Is it mentioned on the sheet? Just see that. Yeah, here it is. M cube minus M divided by 12, whatever I'm circling. Okay, so what is M? M is nothing but number of times the value is repeated. So what do you need to do? Very simple. Now in X, 20 is repeated 3 times, correct? So I'm going to highlight that. And here 50, 50, 50, 50. Okay, so these are something which is repeated. Okay, so what is M? M is nothing but number of times the value is repeated. So 20 is repeated, 20 repeated 3 times. Okay, so what? Sorry. So what is that? M equal to 3. Okay, so what you need to do, substitute it. 3 cube minus 3 divided by 12. Okay, so 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 minus 3 is 24. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So what is the correction factor for 20 repeated 3 times? It is 2. Then next, what is the correction factor for 55? 50 repeated 50 repeated twice. Okay, so that will be M equal to 3. M equals 2. Okay, it is repeated twice. So it will be 2 cube. 2 cube. 2 cube is 8 minus M. So M is what? Again 2 divided by 12. Okay, divided by 12. Sorry. Divided by 12. Okay, so 4 divided by 12. 4 ones. Sorry. M cube minus M. 8 minus M cube minus M. 8 minus 2 divided by 12. So that be 6 divided by 12. So 6 divided by 12 is 1 by 2. That is 0.5. Okay. Need not have to calculate it for other things because the value does not change. For 50, I have calculated it is 0.5. Again, for 55, it is again repeated twice. Okay. So M value remains the same. Directly write correction factor for 55 repeated twice. So 55 repeated twice is again 0.5. So what you do, it's very simple. Now you add the correction factor in the formula. So that will be 1 minus 6 into okay, di square, summation of di square. What is summation of di square? 28. Okay, 6 into 28. Okay, plus, this is very important, don't forget it, plus you have to add all the correction factors. In the X series, 20 was repeated 3 times. Okay, so what is the correction factor there? For 20 repeated twice, 3 times, 3 cube minus 3 divided by 12. So the correction factor is 2. Again, plus 50 is repeated twice in Y. So what is the correction factor? 0.5. Again, In Y, 55 is repeated twice. So what is the correction factor? Plus 0.5. So you need to add everything. Okay. So 1 minus 6, open the brackets. Okay. Divided by. Okay. Divided by. What's the formula? N cube minus n. So how many values are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here n equal to 6. Okay. So it will be divided by 6 cube. 6 cube. Okay. 6 cube minus 6. Calculate the value and tell me what is the answer.
Sir, you made a mistake on.
Sir, you made a mistake
Sir,
on
our
or
initial
else the
calculation
rank
itself
should
is a
be
mistake
like
here.
5.
20.
But you have
It
been
has to
mentioned
be
as
3.5.
4.5.
4.5 minus 5.5 is minus 1. You put
3.7
1.5.
something. The RX value is wrong actually, sir. The rank should be like 5. It should not be 4.5.
One person can tell
Sir,
me.
Sir, for the
Sir,
example, you have
even-
made change in 20th rank, no 4.5 you have changed, right? That you did not again changed it. Actually, the value is 5, but you have mentioned 4.5. So the full answer will be wrong.
This one, huh?
Yes.
For the example, you have for the
I got it.
ascending
I got
order.
it. We did.
Yeah.
We did some modification here. 20 is repeated twice. So it was 4.5, correct. But you have done it correctly, no?
Yes, sir. We did the correct one.
Okay, so tell me what is the error here?
0.1. The
Total
answer is 0.1. So I'm saying the answer.
Answer is 0.1.
0.1.
Can you tell me what is the DI square value?
DI 31.
31.5.
31.5.
So now you see here. Now you see here. The value is between
Yes,
what? 0.1 is between 0 to 1. Understood.
Sir, can you repeat?
Repeat what?
Sir, அந்த இப்போ எழுதுனீங்களா 1.6 divided by 31.5 அது மட்டும் repeat பண்ணுங்க.
Divide இல்லமா multiply மா அது.
So because of the error, everything went above the head, sir.
No, somebody asked me to modify here.
So for me, the DI
0.085.
square is coming as 31, not 31.5. For me, it is coming as 31.
Okay.
So the answer will be 0.1.
31.
Okay, if you are correct in your calculation, you keep that value.
Yes, sir.
So the final
Because
answer
I
is
was
0.0.
explaining, listen, because I was explaining some combination. One person asked, what if I write 19 here? So the ranks have gone for a toss. But if you have done the calculation correctly, please keep that calculation.
Okay, sir.
So
Understood?
my doubt about the correction factor. If correction factor we are taking the number of repetition in X only, no? Or in case same number repeating in Y, so we consider together for correction factor.
That's what I said. I repeated almost 5 times. You cannot merge X and Y. Whatever it is, correction factors have to be taken separately for X values and separately for Y values. How many ever values are repeated, that many correction factors will come. In this particular problem, 20 is repeated thrice, so that will be correction factor 1. 55 is repeated twice, correction factor 2, and 55 is repeated twice, correction factor 3. So in this problem, you have 3 correction factors. You may have 4, you may have 5, you may have 6. That depends on the examiner.
We have to work out X separately, Y separately. You have the same number repeating in Y.
Don't. I usually memorize the values. If the correction factor, if the value is repeating twice, then the correction factor is 0.5. If the value is repeated thrice, the correction factor is 2.
Sir, I have one basic doubt, sir. Once we did the correction factor for all X and Y's, right? And altogether, how we are going to add it in the formula? For example, correction factor is X is 2, correction factor for Y is 0.5 plus 0.5. So totally the correction factor is equal to 3. Is my understanding right or wrong?
Correct.
So 3 is the value I need to add after we do the formula.
When we do the formula. 3. 2.5, sorry, 2 plus 0.5 plus 0.5, that is 3. 31.5 plus 3.
Okay, that's the final answer. We need to add it out.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Understood.
Sir, is the answer is 0.83? Is the answer is 0.83?
Somebody said it is 0.1.
For me, it's 0.0858.
Sir, can you say the answer? Do you have that?
See, I will tell you how to calculate. 6 cube. Okay, 6 cube is 216. Okay, so 216 minus 6 is how much? 210. This will be your denominator. What is the numerator? Numerator is 6 into 31.5.
31.
Okay,
31.
Plus 0.
31, sir, not 31.5.
Okay, 31 plus 2 plus 0.5 plus 0.5. Okay, that will be 189. So
Yes,
this
sir.
will be 189. Okay, so what is 189 divided by 210? That is 0.9.
0.9.
So 1 minus 0.9 is how much? 0.1. That is correct. This is correct. Whoever has got some other value, please check.
Sir, class timing எவ்வளவு நேரம்?
Sir, yeah, it's done. 12:45.
Sir, actually,
you
I
want to
have a
drop
doubt.
off, you can drop off. 12:45
Hello?
is
Can
the
you
cutoff.
share the
Just take
formula,
it.
sir?
Sir, what about the attendance, sir?
Attendance is already recorded in Teams.
Super, sir.
So you need not have to worry about the attendance. Okay, because it's already enabled. It's already enabled in the options. I mean to say here, can you see? Allow attendance report. So
The
so
session
there.
was so good,
Hello?
sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hello, sir.